Detailed look at weather for the next 7 days. High pressure has been dominating the weather for the last week to 10 days or so. It's been quite a warm, cloudy high pressure. We have had more in way of sunshine coming through in the last day or two. I think we're going to keep quite a lot of sunshine going through the weekend and into the start of next week. But things are going to break down next week. We're going to find low pressure beginning to push in and that high pressure starting to recede back. So I think we will find things turning much more unsettled next week, particularly from around Wednesday onwards. And we've already got the first signs of that down in the southwest, where we've had some heavy showers and even some thunderstorms this morning, so we'll have a look at that right now. The websites that we're using for the video, got the charts coming from weathercentral.de. We're looking at the radar picture here from theweatheroutlook.com. We'll also have a look at the lightning detector device from theweatheroutlook.com as well, and then at the end we'll have a look at charts from Weather Outlook. Also, both of those websites, the links to them are on my links page. So this is the current radar picture. We've got some patchy rain across northern Scotland. That's not amounting to too much. We have had these very heavy showers down across the south, the far south and southwest of the country. Some really torrential downpours have been down in the southwest in the early hours and through the course of this morning. If I get rid of the radar and show you the lightning, we can actually see that there has been some lightning mixed in with this. This is where the lightning is. It's going to come up in a moment. There we go. The lightning at the moment is just offshore down in the south. We've got a big cluster down there just heading through the channel of the southwestern coast of Devon and Cornwall. I think that could well clip in across Devon and Cornwall through the course of this afternoon. So I expect more heavy downpours down in the southwest through this afternoon. Risk of some hail and thunder mixed in as well. They are right down in the southwest, so much of the country will be dry today. And this is today's synoptic pressure chart with the high pressure up over Scandinavia, the low pressure out in the Atlantic, bringing in this quite brisk south-east to easterly wind across England and Wales in particular. So the situation for this afternoon is that we're going to have some cloud patch rain across the far north of Scotland. We'll also have some heavy thundery showers across southwestern parts of England, risk of some thunderstorms down there as well. They'll probably ease off through the course of the afternoon. If anything, they'll push out in towards the Atlantic. The bulk of the country though will be dry and fine today with fairly good sunny spells. Have got that stiff southeasterly breeze across England and Wales, so that will take the top off the temperature. But it's going to be quite a warm day, up to 20 or 21 degrees above average for the end of September. Now as we move through overnight again, we've got the low pressure down to the southwest of the country with high pressure up to the northeast, so very little change. Still tightening the ice bar, so if anything, the wind will freshen further through the course of the night, particularly across England and Wales, but Scotland and Northern England will have lighter winds. It's going to be mainly dry for much of the country. The last of the rain over the north and northeast of Scotland will fizzle out, and the showers down in the southwest will tend to die out through the course of the night as well. Maybe still a few clipping in to the very far southwestern tip of Cornwall, but I think most places will be dry by the end of the night. Temperatures tonight somewhere between around 6 to 12, no problems there. Going through into Sunday, and again the idea is the same. The high pressure up to the northeast, but low pressures out in the Atlantic. Typical battleground UK type scenario. Again, there could be just one or two showers clipping into the far southwest of England, and more likely through Ireland. But the bulk of the country, vast majority of the country, will be dry on Sunday with pretty good sunny spells. Now we've got tightly packed ice bars, so it's going to be quite windy. Temperatures, if anything, will be a degree or two down on those of today, but very pleasant still at around 19 or 20. 20 is 68 Fahrenheit. Going through to Monday, and well, the low pressure is getting ever closer from the Atlantic, so I think we increase the risk of showers across southwestern England and South Wales in particular through the course of Monday afternoon. Could be more heavy downpours, risk of thunderstorms also coming through Ireland as well. But the vast majority of the country again on Monday will be dry and fine with fairly good sunny spells. Probably more in way of cloud, particularly in the south and west, but best of the sunshine in the north and the east. Temperatures somewhere between around 13 and 19 degrees. The low pressure is coming in as we go into Tuesday. It's a very, very slow process to get it in, but it is getting closer. So I think many western parts of the country having a risk of showers on Tuesday, not just down in the southwest, but much of western UK and much of Northern Ireland as well will have a risk of heavy showers on Tuesday. Could be some thunderstorms as well. For central and eastern areas, we're still close to the high pressure, so it's still dry. We're bringing up this southerly wind. It's going to be quite warm. Temperatures again up to around 20 or 21 degrees. Then as we move through into Wednesday, that's when the weather fronts will start to push in across the country. So I think Wednesday is the day we break it down. We bring cloud and rain across many parts of the country. It could be quite persistent and heavy rain because these weather fronts will be slow moving as they come up against this high pressure. We've got tightly packed isobars as well from the south. So it's going to be a windy day, wet and windy then, spreading across the country. Maybe the far southeast will hang on to dry weather through most of Wednesday, but the bulk of the country will be turning wet, I think, through the course of Wednesday, a final breakdown to this September high pressure. Temperatures on Wednesday will be down because of the cloud and rain, but still pretty good, to be honest, for the start of October, up to around 17 or 18 degrees. And then really it's a case of watching those weather fronts stalling across the country as we go into Thursday. Quite a complicated picture, but weather fronts are stalling here, perhaps producing a little area of low pressure running along them. So the potential for quite a lot of rain as we go through Wednesday into Thursday. Thursday could be another wet day with quite persistent rain across many parts of the country. Temperatures sliding a bit as well, probably no better than around 15 or 16 degrees by that time. But there's quite a bit of uncertainty about this for the end of the week, exactly how these weather fronts, where these weather fronts indeed are stalling. Where it happens, there could be quite a lot of rain around, and there's the low pressure over the country still suggesting that stall of the weather fronts as we go into Friday. So the basic idea is that from Wednesday onwards we're breaking things down, turning more unsettled with rain becoming slow moving across many parts of the country. But quite how the detail is working out on it all, I'll have to keep you updated, but potentially a lot of rain between Wednesday and Friday. And then as we move through into next week, just a suggestion that high pressure begin to build back into the south. So England and Wales perhaps settling down over the weekend, but still showery for Scotland and Northern Ireland. But the thing by the weekend is that I think temperatures will be quite a bit cooler. We'll be down towards the seasonal average at around 9 to say 15 degrees. Finally, having a look at the charts from the weather outlook. Here we go. We've got the chart for today. There's the showers down in the southwest of the country. One or two of those could be quite heavy with thunder. They'll tend to move away into the Atlantic through the course of the afternoon into the evening. Most places will be dry with fairly good sunny spells today. Pretty much universally dry on Sunday with fairly good sunshine. Winds are freshly much, so it could be quite a breezy day. It will take the top of the temperatures, but they're quite warm. Showers coming back into the west on Monday. More showers in the west on Tuesday. East there is just about hanging on to the dry weather. Temperatures on the warm side, but with a fresh southerly wind, it's going to take the top of the temperatures. And then move through to see desperate rain coming right across the country. Quite a wet and windy day. And then that's how we go into Thursday and Friday with showers, longer spells of rain. Potential with those weather fronts becoming stuck over the country and slow moving. Some really quite heavy rain in places actually. So we will have to keep updating on it all. But the basic idea is that we're starting off dry, warm, with a good deal of sunshine. Just showers down in the southwest and becoming more widespread in the west early next week. But from Wednesday onwards, it's all breaking down, rain coming across the country and turning much more autumnal with the temperatures starting to slide away by next weekend. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.